Hello everybody, I want to make this quick video to share the good news with you. Now over $500,000 copy my eToro portfolio, the public account, the public portfolio. This week eToro has promoted the account to a lot of people, so a lot of newcomers in this account. And now I'm sharing my screen. You have, oh, what can I see? Let's put my face here. 300 people copying the portfolio, copiers, including some of my subscribers. So thank you for your trust for copying my portfolio. Let me tell you how it works. Basically, you have eToro, which is a broker. You can invest, trade stocks. That's what I use. This is also a social platform. In other words, if you type my name on the search bar, you will find my profile, which is public, and you can copy my portfolio. In other words, instead of doing the research, you give me, you don't give me your money, but you copy my portfolio, my actual portfolio. So you'll copy live if I buy something, sell something. So if for example, I have bought some stocks for the month of November, you will be copying my new buys. And that is how it's working. It is called copy trading, and so far so good. I have started eToro in 2022, late 2022, and it's been 2 years. And now, as I'm getting more copiers today, we have reached $500,000 of copy. That means it's a small fund, as you may say, $500,000 of copy of responsibility for the investment. By the way, if you're looking for a complete framework to analyze stocks and build a strong portfolio, I have a coaching program. More on that at the end of the video. So yeah, that's good. And let me share you a little bit about how it's like to manage money for outside investors. This is not the same deal. If you manage your own portfolio, you can suffer a 30% loss, and that's okay. You will have some sleepless nights, but that's only your money. You're fine. If you manage money for other people, for 300 people, and you lose 30%, you lose 30% for everybody. So that's, eToro is the best alternative fund I have found. Is the best way of having the same advantage, the same drawbacks as if you manage a real fund with millions of dollars, because you have the same feedback from your clients. If people are upset, I know it. If people are happy, I know it. And you will be surprised how many messages I got to invest in Bitcoin because it's going up, etc. And when I started in 2022, nobody asked me to invest in Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin goes down, zero message. When Bitcoin goes up, I have plenty of messages saying that you are old-fashioned guy and you don't invest in Bitcoin. Yeah, everybody has its style, and I guess if you are familiar with eToro, you know that you have 3,000 copy traders, 3,000 public accounts that you can copy. So there are plenty of investors in crypto. You can choose whatever you like best. And yeah, a lot of people actually give me most of their portfolio. They copy my portfolio for the majority of their holdings. So that's pretty good news. And I plan to invest more on eToro. I plan to continue, and the goal for 2025 might be very interesting. If we reach $1 million in AUM in 2025, that would be magnificent. That would be wonderful. What can I share with you? Here you have the account, you have the number of copiers, and yeah, you see the promotion from eToro. I had 200 copiers. Now we are increasing 300, and it's growing like 10 per day. And for the AUM we had $400,000. Now that's 500k. It will be 500k tonight. It is just not updated. So yeah, thank you for your trust. In case you are a subscriber of this YouTube channel, and if you have eToro, don't hesitate to follow me on the platform. And if you want to copy my portfolio, real live investments, and same performance, by the way, you can think of copying my portfolio. The minimum amount is $200, $100, and there is no maximum amount. So I have people that put 30k, 50k. Whatever works best for you. Do whatever you want. That's your money. Be comfortable with the amount you copy. But yeah, just to share with you a quick win, because I post daily on this YouTube channel. So, and by the way, this YouTube channel, when I created it at the beginning, was only for eToro. maybe some of you, the newest subscribers, don't know this, but the goal of this YouTube channel was to inform my copiers of what was happening months after months. But I realized that after 1 month nobody was watching the video, so I wanted to build some good long-term track record, and I wanted to try different formats. So the channel evolved, but at the beginning of this YouTube channel, it was only for eToro. And then I wanted to talk about some other stocks, some other concepts, and it evolved. And yeah, maybe I will do some updates in the future, and this is an update, by the way. Yeah, good update. I will maybe do an update at the end of 2024 to share my performance. So far, we are at, I don't know, 24% year to date, slightly underperforming the S&P 500 by 1 or 2%. That's not a big deal. I mean, in 2023, I outperformed by 12%. So that's good. That's okay. I can't outperform every year. That's fine. That's fine. So over the past 2 years, that's a strong outperformance. I'm still happy with that, especially since I am partly invested in China and Europe that were demolished this year. So even with an allocation in European stocks like Evolution AB, or Chinese stocks like Baba or Prosus, like Tencent, that's pretty decent performance, and I'm quite happy with the results so far. So good. So yeah, quick video for you. Do something else with your life, and I wish you a good day. Bye bye. If you like this content, I have an investing coaching program. In this program, you will learn a complete investing process. You will learn how to find good stock ideas, how to properly value stocks, when to buy, when to sell, so that you can build a strong portfolio with great companies. Additionally, in this coaching program, you will have access to my personalized guidance for long-term results. We will do weekly calls where we analyze stocks together, and you will have access to my private number available 24/7 for full support. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. Click the first link in the description below to get more information. You will get a short video that explains how everything works completely for free. No need for your mail address. Just click the first link in the description, and I'll see you on the other side.